How to use CashApp. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use CashApp. So for that, just open your CashApp. So it's a very user friendly app to use. So if you want to transfer the money to someone, all you have to do is just enter the amount on the home screen itself and click on pay, and this will redirect you to the page where you have to enter the detail of the person you want to transfer the money and just click on pay. And if you want to add your bank account to your CashApp account, just click on the profile icon at the top right, just scroll down and click on linked banks, just click on linked debit card, no card, and now you can select from the list of the bank that you want to add it to your CashApp account. And you can also change the profile of your CashApp account. Just click on the edit profile and just read the basic information of your account. If you want to change anything, you can go ahead and edit the details, and after that you can also do a preview of your profile, as you can see right here. Now you can see this search bar at the bottom. So from there you can discover and search for the people or businesses that you are looking for. Now you will also see this card icon at the bottom. So this feature you can use to buy a CashApp card. There are few cards that are free if you want to buy, and there are a few that you have to pay for. So you can go ahead and purchase the card of your choice if you want to. You can also see this activity icon at the bottom right corner. This will show all your transaction and activities that you have done in the past. So this is basically how you can use CashApp. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.